Hello viewers, I'm Maithili. Today we are going to see 9 CBSE Maths Polynomial Exercise 2.5 first sum. Let's see the question. Use suitable identities to find the following product. So they have given a product. We need to find what suitable identity to be used to the sum to solve. Now for the first sum, it is given that x plus 4 into x plus 10. Here the first variable, that is the first element, is same, the second one is different. So think of a formula, the first one is same and the second one is different. The identity will be x plus a into x plus b. Always write the identity first, which is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here your x will be x and your x is equal to x only. And your a will be equal to 4, b will be equal to 10. For the first element it is 4 and here it is 10. So you can directly substitute if they have given the question, we need to write the answer. If question is given, we need to write the answer. If answer is given, we need to write in the question form for the identities. Now it is x square, so here x is x square, so write it as usual. Yes, x, your a plus b will be 4 plus 10 into x plus ab will be 4 into 10. If you solve this, we get x square plus 14x plus 40. So further we can't solve it because it's x square and x term and a constant term. There is no like terms. We can leave the sum as it is. This is the final answer for the sum. So we'll move on to the second one. In the second question, it's given as x plus 8 into x minus 10. The same formula. The first one is same, but the second one is different. Here they have given minus sign. If minus sign is there, write wherever minus sign is necessary. We know the formula is the same. So here for x plus 8 into x plus x minus 10, the formula will be x square plus a plus b, right? For a it is 8 and for writing b just write minus 10 in. Now into x plus a into b. A is 8 and b is into minus 10. Always write the sign because in the formula it is plus all over. So wherever it is minus, just write the minus with the number. Now this becomes x square here minus 2. Plus minus we need to subtract and we need to put the greater number sign. Greater number sign here is minus. So minus 2 into x. Yeah, plus into minus. Minus 8 tens are 80. Solve the sign. There should be only one sign for a number. So x square plus into minus will be minus 2x minus 80 will be the final answer for the sum. So that's all. Further we can't solve it. So leave it off. Now we'll move on to the third one. In the third one, it is given that 3x plus 4 and 3x plus 5. Here the formula is same, the first formula, because the first element is same and the second one is different. So it is the same formula of x plus a into x plus b. For x, instead of x, we need to substitute here 3x. Remember that here it is x, but here it is 3x. So wherever x is there, just substitute 3x. Now this is equal to x square, right? For x square, we need to write 3x the whole square plus a plus b. A is 4 and b is 5 into x. Instead of x, we need to substitute 3x. Only this you need to remember because most of the time students do wrong. They'll just substitute x as it is. Now plus a into b is 4 into 5. Solve this. You need to square both the 3 and the x. If we square 3x, we get 9. Here x square will be x square. Plus here it is 5 plus 4, 9 into 3x plus 5 4s are 20. Solve this. 9x square plus 9 3s are 27x plus 20 is the final answer for the third one. We'll move on to the fourth one. In the fourth question, it is given that y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Here we can see the first element is the same, even the second element is the same, but there is a difference in sign, plus and minus. for this we can use the formula a plus b into a minus b. This identity we can use, which is a square minus b square, because the first element is same, even the second one is same. We can use this identity. It will be more easier than the x plus a into x plus a. Even that we can use, but this is more easier. Now we know what is a here is y square. So instead of a, substitute y square. See, instead of a, here it is y square. So instead of a, substitute y square. This square I am writing it here. For a it is y square and square is here. Now minus for b, it is 3 by 2 the whole square. No minus sign inside, because in the formula itself that is minus b, and we are substituting wherever it is necessary. So no need to write the minus sign again. So here it becomes square in 2 into 2 will become 4. Minus, we need to square both the numerator and the denominator. If we square, we get 9 by 4. So this is the final answer for the fourth sum, which is y power 4 minus 9 by 4. We'll move on to the fifth sum. In the fifth sum, it is given that 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. So here again the same formula, a plus b, a minus b first, then a plus b, which is a square minus b square. So instead of a we have 3 here, instead of b we have 2x here. So we can directly substitute the formula of the, as this form is given, we need to convert this to a square minus b square form. So a square is 3 square minus 2x the whole square. If I solve this here, I get 9. Here we need to square both the 2 and the x, so it becomes 4x square. So this is the final answer for the fifth sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.